Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Fangs Creations. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this awesome NAG M49 acoustic guitar, and the company name is Neptune. You can even see the company name inside. So this guitar took I think a full day, and this stand took about half day to make. Now these both can be found on Google. The stand you see is a hanging guitar stand, you can find it on Google, and this guitar can also be found. You just need to type the model name and everything. So the main difficult part of this creation is the strings and all the small parts. So anyways, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make this. Anyways, these are the materials. The first thing is polymer clay, obviously. The whole thing is polymer clay, and the acrylic paints and brushes are made for making it look good. These three types of wires. The first wire is for making the top parts, and the wires is for the strings. And then this wire is used for making the side, the twisting things, I don't know. So just like that. Super glue is for reinforcing. Well, those are the materials, and let's go to the workshop and let's make this. Okay guys, before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. Select all so that you don't miss any of my latest upcoming videos. Let's get started. Now the first step is obviously we need to mix the polymer clay, and we need to make like a flat piece and cut it in half. Now these are going to be the two halves of the guitar, the two sides, and we need to cut it out. You can just print out a guitar template and you can just cut it out from there. And now we are going to make the handle where the strings are going to stand and all of that. I'm sorry, I don't know all the guitar terms and stuff. Maybe you can tell me what part is called what, in the comments. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to make the back part now, the thing that is a bit bent on the back, where you can twist and you can adjust the strings. So now I'm going to go ahead and make the side, that is the part that joins the two wooden pieces together. In a real guitar I'm talking about. So yeah, it's going to look like that. The middle piece is that, and we can fix the top part now. And while it is semi dry, you can stick this part, so because you need to make it in that shape of the guitar. Let's sand these extra bits here, and now we can stick this. Before we stick, make sure you put the small bridges, what do you want to call it, for the small wires, just like this. And now you can go ahead and stick this. Now the wires you see are nothing but electrical wires, the thin wires. Those can be used for strings. Now after attaching, what you need to do is you need to spray paint this black. The black spray paint is pretty glossy. You do that first. You can mask the other parts with some tape and you can do it. Now this is a mix of, it's like a dark grey and a little bit of red. That goes on the the handle part, whatever you want to call it, and the bottom thing that is I think called the bridge, I'm not sure, so tell me in the comments. So that is a bit like a dark gray. Now let's go ahead and stick these small wires. Now these small wires are nothing but LED pieces, and then the large the small, what do you call, the small bits are for the thing that holds those small strings. I'm going to show you in a bit. Let me just go ahead and stick this. Just like this. Now we can go ahead and stick the small things. Now these wires are nothing but fondant or any type of clay. If you make a small model, you'll get this kind of thick wire. And now you need to attach these strings, and I'm not going to show you the guitar right now. Now I'm going to show you the stand. I'm going to show both of the final pieces at the end. What I'm making now is the base, and then now after making the base, it's like a rectangular base. Let's go ahead and make the the thing that is in the curved shape. It's kind of like an S, like a rough S, like a worm kind of pattern, just like that. After it dries, we need to cut out a trapezium kind of shape, just like that, and you can sand it a bit, and even using a sandpaper you can smoothen it out, just like that. Now let's put it aside. can even reduce the thickness a bit by sanding the front and top. Now let's sand the S part of this. Now the thing I found on Google is like this stand really looked nice, guys, the trapezium and all of that. So I also carved a small crevice in the center. This is all part of the design I saw on Google. So let's go ahead and paint this. First let's go ahead and mix some brown, some black and some burnt sienna or dark brown, it's your wish. You can paint this to get a like a reddish brown kind of tinge, just like this. Now mind you, this is not Indian red, it's a bit darker than the Indian red color that we use, you had seen in the previous videos. Now let's paint this. Now this is like a polished wood kind of color. Now we are going to mix some light brown, that is brown, you can mix it with some white and some burnt sienna, and you can just paint this in the center, just like this. And then you must add some bolts kind of thing using brass paint. You can pearl metallic bronze, that's the paint I've used for that. And the bottom also can be painted, it's optional, but yeah. So after it's done, it's going to look like this, guys. Now as you can see, the details came out really well, guys. I've had a hard time focusing this because this thing is so thin that the camera is kind of struggling to focus. Okay, I got the focus right now. Now as you can see, this is the bronze metallic bits, you can see it, and then the small line is visible, and the guitar also came out really well, guys. You can also see the small Neptune. Like before I closed it, I actually removed it again. So and then I painted the insides with some light burnt sienna and some white mixed, and I wrote the Neptune thing on that, and I made some using white paint, I made some details that you can see in the picture. You can go ahead and Google this. And yeah, so this was actually a birthday gift for my friend. Her name is Nandini and we call her Poopy on Discord. So yeah, it's a pretty funny name. Anyways, I'm going to be uploading some more stuff like this on Instagram, sneak peeks and all that kind of stuff. So I guess that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Okay guys, before you go, make sure you like this video and then comment down below, guys. You can comment down below on what I can make next, or what materials can I use and all that kind of stuff. Well, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.